Welcome back to the channel, guys. OJ Marketing. Right here in today's video, I'm going to show you a cool trick to leverage CPA marketing platform called CPAGRIP to make money and promote your CPA marketing website for absolutely free. This is going to be a cool strategy that a beginner can grab hold of and utilize. And guys, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you right here. You could also hit the like button to this specific video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all, so always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So we're going to be utilizing this platform called CPAGRIP. This is going to be a cool platform that you can utilize right now. If you don't have an account on this platform, just simply come right here and click on register. You'll be shown some cool form which you actually need to go into providing some cool details about, and you just need to provide your details on the form and go on to logging into your account. Once you log into your account, you want to come onto this page right here by coming onto the section, clicking on offer tools option. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select my offers and you will be brought to a page such as this. You can actually filter your offers to any demographic of your choice, like the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Afghanistan, and a lot more other countries right here. So only see offers from such countries. You can also filter based on category, based on stats, and you can search for some kind of cool keyword to some offers. Right now I can filter my offers based on payouts, and it's going to show me from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offer. You can see right here that some offers actually are giveaway offer. Like for example, take a look at this offer. It's a $4,500 cash giveaway right now to people in the United States that are using Apple iOS device. All they need to do is to submit their email address or zip code, going through a simple survey using this my unique affiliate link, and for every person that does that, I'm going to get paid this amount, which is $1.02. That's how cool the offer is. Now, to promote this kind of offer, you just need to click on copy link and go on to promoting that right there. But before you promote that, create a simple landing page. Now, to create a landing page, you can use platforms like Google Site right here. You could also use platforms like breezy.io, systemy.io, GetResponse, and a lot of other cool platforms out there. To gain access to some tutorial videos I have for you that shows you how to easily create simple landing pages, you want to come onto my channel, OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and you want to just simply go on to type in landing page. If you do go on to type in a landing page and click on enter right now, it's going to show you some cool videos that shows you how I actually go on to creating simple landing pages on platforms like systemy.io, Google Site, Webflow, Warrior Plus, and a lot more other cool platforms out there. So take a look at those videos, as those videos can help you go on to getting better conversions to your CPA marketing offers as you do create some cool and amazing landing pages. Now, once you've done that right there, the next thing which you need to do is to link that to your landing page, link your CPA offer to your landing page, and go on to promoting that with this cool platform called the classifiedads.com. This is an amazing free ad platform you could leverage. You could just need to come right here, click on post and ad for free. As you can see, the free is in bracket right there. You want to select a category to the ad. Maybe if I just select something like items for sale, you want to select a subcategory right here. There are a lot of cool subcategories you could select from. I'm just going to select something like miscellaneous item. You want to just simply insert a city. Maybe I want to select this to, or promote this to Washington DC. So I'm just going to come right here and type in Washington, and you can see some options right here, which is Washington DC and a lot more other leads or cities where I can drive traffic to this right now. All you need to do is to just simply insert a cool title to the offer, insert a cool asking price, and this description should actually be a cool eye-catchy description and a detailed description on how they could complete the offer. And also make sure your unique affiliate link is also in the description in this section right now. So once you actually do that right there, go on to filling out other details like your name, email address, phone number, and actually fill out all these details appropriately. To actually go on to promoting this offer, click on post ad right there, and your offer will be promoted for free right now on this platform. Now, the cool thing about this is that you just need to come right here to this section, which is this platform right here called the classifiedads.com. Copy this domain right now and head on to this platform called the sitelike.org/similar. So if you come onto sitelike.org right now, you want to come onto this section that says example. You want to paste in that example right here. maybe I'm just going to go on to removing this classifiedads.com and click on enter. If you do that right now, it's going to show you alternatives to the platform called classifiedads.com, and you can see right now, if you scroll to the bottom, you do get about 33 classified ads alternatives you can use to promote CPA marketing offers for free. Now you can see the first one right here, the global free classifiedads.com. This is also the free ad1.net. Keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see lots and lots more cool and amazing free ad platforms to leverage right now. So utilize each and every one of these free ad platforms to promote your CPA offers, and you can actually go into doing this each and every single day, and with time you'll start getting lots and lots of engagement to your CPA offers and start making a lot of money online. So why not just simply try this strategy to make some cool cash? And if the video was helpful, why not just simply hit the like button to the video, guys. You want to make sure you're subscribed to my channel, OJ Marketing, and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.